Welcome back everybody to another episode. Supposedly only like 15 kilometers an hour headwind, but it's looking like it's gonna be way more. Beautiful day though, not too hot. I think 27 degrees, so it should be a nice ride either way. A little bit harder because of the headwind, but hey, it is what it is. And that's a bike ride and the episode for today. Halfway through the ride I actually realized that I had not a real puncture, but I had a nail stuck in my tire. I might have to check if that's gone into the tube or not. Can't really, it's just a guessing game right now. I haven't really lost much here so far, but you know, I haven't pulled it out yet. As I don't know how the principle's called, but you know what I mean. It's the same as if you get stabbed. Don't remove the thing you got stabbed with, because otherwise you're gonna be leaking. That being said, it's a weird analogy, but you get what I mean. Hope you're doing well. I'll catch you in tomorrow's episode again. Peace.